Hello, my name is Brain. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about mental health. What is mental health? Mental health refers to a person's emotional, psychological, and social well-being. The ability to manage emotions, maintain a positive outlook, and cope with life's ups and downs. This involves self-acceptance, personal growth, purpose in life, and autonomy. It reflects how individuals perceive themselves and their abilities. Good mental health is characterized by a balance in emotional stability, coping with life's challenges, and maintaining healthy relationships. Mental health is very important in our life. Mental health is important for overall well-being and quality of life. It affects how we think, feel, and act, influencing our ability to cope with stress, build relationships, and make decisions. Good mental health enhances our productivity to doing our daily life work and helps us navigate challenges effectively. Moreover, mental health is closely linked to physical health. Conditions like anxiety and depression can lead to physical illnesses. Prioritizing mental health encourages resilience, coping mechanisms of a person, improves emotional regulation, and promotes a sense of purpose and fulfillment in life. Also, maintaining mental health is important for a balanced and healthy life. Mental health awareness is important nowadays. Mental health education is essential for advancing mental health treatment and behavioral health. It is a critical and essential dialogue for shifting to a more proactive mental health strategy. Increasing our awareness allows us to notice the signs and symptoms of odd or bizarre feelings, just as we do with physical disease before they become critical. Here are 4 significant advantages of mental health awareness. Helps you understand your mental health. Symptoms. Reduces. Mental health stigma better. Mental health knowledge promotes. Mental well-being. So, ultimately, our exploration of mental health leads us to conclude psychology and mental health are interconnected. By understanding mental health, we can break stigmas and encourage open conversations. Thank for watching the video. Do like, share, and comment.